Welcome to the seventh uh, topic of Unit 4 Linear Relations. So today we'll be going over translations, reflections, and transformations. Okay, to start off, translations are basically when a line shifts up, down, right, or left. So let's look at an example. Let's say a line goes down by 2 units, and this is the equation, y equals 2x plus 1. This is where the line would be, and it wants us to shift each point down 2 units. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There. So this would be our new line. Wait, my bad, guys. Yeah, so this would be our new line then. We shifted down 2 units. So what we see happening here, the line really doesn't change. The only thing that changes is the y-intercept. So it goes from here to here. So based on that, we can say that the new equation will be y is equal to 2x minus 1. So we see here that the new y-intercept is minus 1. So we just plug that into the b value. You just basically add the new y-intercept into the b value. Okay, 2. Reflections. Okay. So for reflections, it basically just flips the whole line over an axis. Yeah, over an axis. So there's two different types of reflections, reflections on the x-axis and reflections on the y-axis. So first on the x-axis, it's basically, we can do this by flipping the whole equation sign. So what this means, we go from y equals 3x minus 2 to y equals negative 3x plus 2. So what we did is that we just flipped the signs. So we turned this minus into a plus, and we turned this plus here into a minus. That's literally just what we did. For the y-axis, it's pretty similar, but here you only flip the x term sign. So instead of also flipping this, you only flip the sign of what's over here. So basically, this would turn into y equals negative 2x plus 5. So the plus, it stays the same. Okay, next. Vertical stretch or a compression. So what happens here is that when a vertical stretch or compression is done, the entire line gets multiplied by a number. So what this does is that it makes the line steeper or flatter. So let's do an example. So a stretch by a factor of 4. And guys, by the way, BAFO, this means by a factor. By a factor by a factor of. So stretch by a factor of 4. So what we do here, we basically just multiply the whole line by 4. So we multiply x by 4, so that turns into y equals 4x, and multiply 3 by 4, which turns into plus 12. This would be the new equation. You just multiply every number by 4. Okay. Now, let's do a horizontal stretch and a horizontal compression. Okay. So, a horizontal stretch and compression, they only affect the x value. So, let's go for an example. A horizontal compression by a factor of 2. Okay, so what we would do here, we would just multiply the x value by 2. As it says here, it only affects the x value. So it would turn into y equals 2x minus 1. Y equals 2x minus 1. So 2x. There. You just add a 2 there, multiply by 2. Now for a horizontal stretch by a factor of 2, what you'd basically just do is divide the x value by 2. Just Yeah, just basically divide it by 2. So that would turn into y equals 1 over 2 x minus 1. So as you can see, we're dividing it. So dividing it by 2 is the same as multiplying it by 1 over 2. Um, so yeah, you just put 1 over 2 here times x. If it was something else like y is equal to 5x minus 1, it would literally just turn into y is equal to y is equal to 5 over 2 x minus 1. So yeah, okay. So that's pretty much just the basics of translations, transformations, and reflections. So, yep, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.